Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I would like to reiterate the main objectives of this course and set things clear at the beginning itself. As mentioned earlier, this is going to be a small course and the main objectives are to help you understand whether your data is big data. If yes, what are the significant challenges you will face managing it and what are the technologies available to handle it. We will not go deep into any of these technologies in this course, because each of these technologies is comprehensive on its own and it deserves dedicated course for each. But from this course, you will get the best possible preparation to dive deeper into your favorite technology stream around big data. I also promise I will create separate course on various technologies around big data shortly. That's it for this video guys. Now that you are clear about what you are going to get out of this course, we will start to work towards the course objectives from the next video. Thank you.